Hey there, bike enthusiasts. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the world's smallest assembly stand for bikes. This innovative product is perfect for those who love to tinker with their bikes but don't have a lot of space to work with. The stand is designed to be compact and easy to store, making it a great addition to any bike lover's toolkit. It's perfect for those quick fixes or maintenance tasks, and it's even small enough to fit in your backpack when you're on the go. So, if you're looking for a handy and versatile tool to help you keep your bike in top shape, this is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome bike-related content. Happy riding!
What's going on, YouTube? We have a new product today. Vlip Evolution. The world's smallest assembly stand is what I have today. Check it out. So these will go on your grips, and I would probably use these especially for my e-bikes because it'll get those front bars off the ground. Because you know you have those expensive displays on your e-bike, and you really do not want that dragging on the ground while you're trying to change a tire or anything like that. So basically, you just open them up like this. Oops, drop that one. Just open them up. Then you just slide them on your grips, and then it makes a little stand, as you can see here. And we are going to show you guys exactly how this works. Here we go. All right, so we're going to try these out on the Zeus. And these are made by Bike, VLIP. I don't know if it's Vlip or Vlip, but you know, they got the QR code right there. If you guys want to pause that, screenshot it, take a picture of it, might work. Great for storage. If you gotta throw it in your bag, they connect together like so. So if you have like a little bag or something, they connect and they stay together so you don't lose them, which is pretty neat. So we'll take these apart here, place one here. They go right on the grip, pretty easy. Like so, just like that. Now some of you guys have bigger displays. I have a smaller one, so usually it does not hit the ground, but get out here in the sun so you guys can see a little better. So we're gonna put one like that. Oh no. Gosh dang it, I have a mirror. Let's try another bike. Forgot I had a mirror on there. It's not gonna work if you have a mirror. FYI. Well, one side will work. Alright, let's see. Okay. Try it on the aerial rider. This one does not have a mirror, so we'll put this on there like so. Now you can use these for e-bikes, regular bikes, doesn't matter, they fit. So let's see here. This bike is super heavy. Flip her over. Just get a little adjustment there. Oh wow, that's cool. Little adjustment. All right, so let's check these out. So basically, pretty cool, pretty neat. It keeps your brakes off of the ground also. Keeps your brakes off. If you have a bigger display unit, puts a little gap between the display unit. And there it is. Not bad at all. That's a pretty cool little neat creation for your e-bike or BMX bike, because I know a lot of you guys do not want your grips and all that dragging on the floor. Maybe we'll take one down and do a test fit on that too. But it works good on the e-bikes. Works perfect. Not bad. So let's take down a bike, regular bike, and try it on there. All right, we're gonna try the grip stands on the Monster. Wait, that is not a Monster. That is a quad angle, guy. Don't get it twisted. Here we go. Grab these bad boys here. Very flexible. Looks like they'll pretty much last forever. All right. Slide that on. Like so. One down, one to go. Nice and easy. Now the cool thing about these is when you flip it over, they kind of like get in a good position already to where you really don't have to mess with it. Hold on, let's see here. Stop front wheel. Okay. All right. Pretty cool. So they also work with the regular bikes, so you don't scratch the ends of your grips. Not scratch, but you know, they get damaged, you know, out there on the asphalt. But these work really good with these too. Pretty good invention here. Pretty cool. So that is the grip stands, and if you guys want some, I will definitely put the link in the description and show you guys how to get them. But those are pretty cool, pretty neat invention. So go ahead and grab you guys some. You will not regret it. Pretty neat. All right, guys. Bike Life G. They sent me these just to show you guys. So go ahead and grab a pair if you want. They are nice. Not bad at all. Have a good one, fellas and ladies.